me tell you this here. I had an experience in 2017 that could have taken me out of this world. My glucose went up so high. It was like 336 by the time I went to the doctor's office. And let me tell you what took me to the doctors on that day was I got so bad that I couldn't remember things. I start saying a sentence and could not finish it. And that was my wake-up call. That was the wake-up call. You got an issue in that. You're not, this is not normal. You got an issue. You got to do something about this, or you're not going to watch your children get married. Or you're not going to watch your children grow up. You're going to leave this world if you don't get yourself together. I'm serious now. I had a wake-up call. I was on Facebook. I just remember seeing something about the Barton Publishing Company or something like that. And I clicked on it and I started reading about it. And I really do have faith in your system and everything that you put out there about how to do things. And the resources are over the top. Trust me, it's everything that you could ever want to try to turn your life around with this diabetes. You know what I did? I sat down. I never forget. I was in my lazy boy, in my favorite little spot with some tea, and I copied it and I had it in a 3-binder folder. And I just sat down and I just began to read it. And I said, you know what? This is doable. I can do this. So what I did was I'm gonna tell you what I did, y'all. I took the sugar out of my diet. I took the carbohydrates I started watching that, you know. I went in the store and just started shopping. I had a wake-up call about sugar too. Sugar was just about in everything that I was eating. It took me 3 hours in that store to really look at labels and read. But by the time I came out of the store on that day from doing my grocery shopping, I had learned that sugar is in just about everything, especially that I was eating. Okay, this is what this is the healthy food plate from the Barton Publishing that is in that diabetes solution kit. This is a godsend for me because I started to do this and I still go by this a lot, you know, and this has helped me to eat healthy. And so let me tell you, I started dropping pounds and my doctor got nervous. I lost 30 pounds, y'all, from September 2017 to 2019. I believe I lost like 34 pounds. And that wasn't trying hard or anything. That was just taking the sugar out of my diet. I don't eat all that stuff like I used to eat. I just turned my life around with what I eat. I'm almost 59 years old. I will be on my birthday, you know, and you're changing your whole life around. My cholesterol is down. I noticed that I have more energy and I feel better when I may not exercise like I'm supposed to. I feel like I turned my life around when I got a hold of the knowledge. You know, I don't know everything about stuff, you know, about everything that you all may have in there, but I can always go back to it and read up on stuff and know that I'm basically on track with things. So, and let me just say this. I believe in the products that you all have on that list. Look, I'm happy about it. I mean, I'm glad that I'm here to tell this story, you know, because I could have been gone out of here not knowing no better. I don't know what people did when they didn't have doctors and didn't have like even metformin to help them get on track and all this stuff. But I don't believe that all this stuff is made for our bodies, all these chemicals. I'm trying to get off the stuff completely. I mean, you know, the metformin part of things, I still take it, but I don't take it in no large, you know, the big quantity. But my goal, and maybe the next time if you ever talk to me again, and I'm about to do it, my goal is to get completely off this medication. I'm real busy, but you know what? I'm not busy enough to take time to stop what I'm doing. If I can encourage somebody to tell you that this is a way of life for people that have diabetes, it's something you have to have a passion for. You really do. And my passion is to live. Because if I don't do this, if I love eating so many different kinds of foods that could not give me the kind of life that I know that I deserve to have, okay? They'll say you inherited this and all that. If I inherited diabetes or whatever, it's wicked, it's ugly, and I don't want to live with it. So I'm trying to get rid of it. And I've always thought about reversing it. I go back to my doctor on April the 22nd. I changed doctors. So I'm going to talk to him about some things that are from the publishing. This time I'm going to do this. I'm going to talk to him. You might want to get me back on here to review something, okay? Because I'm going to take the diabetes publishing, diabetes solution kit, okay? And I'm going to ask some questions and ask him what can you do to help me get off this metformin? You know, I don't want to take any. I know I'm not taking maybe the whole amount of it or whatever, but I don't want to be on it at all. I'm gonna see what he's going to say. You know what I'm saying? I would love to turn this around. And I know that if I take other things out of my diet and just if I do this here every day, I believe that I would not have to even take any kind of metformin, period. What do I need to do to get off these metformin pills? This is going to be my thing right here. And yes. You know where I get that idea from? Because I read it again. It came out of the diabetes solution kit. They're telling you what to say and what to do. I says, I'm ready now because I'm starting over. This is my year to start over and to even I try to make myself at least 1% better every day, okay? And that's going to be making myself 1% better than I was yesterday. I believe in this company, y'all, and I believe in it because I tried it for myself. I've done my research, okay? Do your research. I would tell anybody, y'all, I don't know how much that diabetes solution kit costs right now, but you all need to get that kit. I promise you. I believe that if you change the way you eat, your life will change because mine did.